everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Yes, so today is off ako. And bukas meron akong training. So ipapakita ko sa inyo. Hopefully makapag-video ako tomorrow sa ganap. So pupunta ako sa main office ng Healthway. So I will try my best kung makakapag-video ako ng customer service training namin. So ano naman siya, yearly naman siya ginagawa. So ako lagi madalas na pinapadala doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Favorite nila ako padala doon. Although gamit na gamit ko naman siya sa service ko on my clinic. Pero dahil ako na naman po yung ipapadala, so hopefully ma-vlog ko siya, ma-share ko siya sa inyo. So tomorrow yung mga clips na i-send ko is ano na lang, hindi na ako masyado magkasalita, yung mga view na lang. So wala lang, na-miss ko lang mag-intro, kaya naman, and mag-vlog actually. Ayan, so sana marami po kayong matutunan kung ano man yung mga i-share ko tomorrow. And kung may free meal, papakita ko rin kung ano yung mga errands ko bukas. So yeah, this is the right time lang na makapag-intro ko kasi maaga po akong gigising bukas. Ang call time kasi namin doon is 8:30. So dapat bago mag 8:30 nandun na ako. So sa Makati kasi yun. So malapit lang naman sa amin. Pero dahil gigising ako na maaga, wala akong time para mag-intro. In advance ko na lang ngayon. So, yeah! See you tomorrow! I-add ko na lang yung clip. Don't forget to like ha, and mag-comment kayo kung gusto nyo, or much better na mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you! See you! Let's go! Yes, ito na yung maroon. Bye, Snoopy! Good morning po! Tama po, no, sa Makati Stock Exchange. Tama po. Nakalagay. Tama po ng Makati Stock Exchange.
Makati Stock.
Okay. Sige po. Bye-bye! Okay. Nag-grab for today's video. Ayan. Kasi mahirap sumakay ganitong oras. It's already 7 na, almost magsa 7 a.m. in the morning. Hi, I'm here. Let's go in. Mag-start na kami. Registration QR code muna. And meron kaming tanan! Personality test with my strengths, weaknesses. Ayan. Ganda halaman. Cute. We also have may pakape kung gusto niyo mag-coffee. Ayan o. Wow, smile. May bread. And wow, look at that bread. Sarap. Ay, may suman.
In harmony for you. How do we make this possible? By uniting HMN's 4 core digital engagement platforms, or the Big Four. We connect every stage of the patient journey, from inquiry to recovery, creating a seamless, patient-centered experience. The Big Four is what drives our digital transformation, turning every interaction into coordinated, compassionate care. It begins with our contact center. Real people ready to listen and respond in real time, helping patients book appointments, find doctors, or simply seek guidance. Some prefer the convenience of self-service. Our website makes care accessible with tools to schedule visits, check prices, and learn more about our doctors. Anytime, anywhere. But care doesn't stop at office hours. That's where Henry, our AI-powered chatbot, steps in. Available 24/7, ready with answers in English or Taglish, guiding patients step by step whenever they need support.
Hello, I am Henry. Healthway Medical Network's AI assistant. Kamusta po kayo?
And soon, all of this will be right in your pocket through the Healthway mobile app, bringing bookings, updates, and even health records into one simple, secure space. What ties everything together is Harmony Plus, our central repository that ensures every touchpoint speaks the same language of care until Arcus Air integration is complete. This central repository keeps every touchpoint aligned. That means no matter how you reach us, the care you receive is consistent, accurate, and reliable. This is the power of synergy. Each channel is unique on its own, yet stronger together. Guided by our patient experience team heads, we ensure that our digital touchpoints, the contact center, website, chatbot, and mobile app move seamlessly. Whether powered by automation or supported by human care, everything works in harmony as planned, with people at the heart of every innovation and optimization. All these are driven by our shared promise to serve with speed, connect with compassion, and deliver with integrity, always for the benefit of our patients.
Because this is CTX Series, a early trend technology and human touch, reminding us to care beyond research.
Paano guys? A well-known pastor. Builders I forget the feast. If you know Bo Sanchez, so this is mga pastors doon. Then at the same time, with more than 100 plus followers, meron siyang podcast, and at the same time followers sa Facebook, sa social media. I think kilala siya. Isa sa mga kilala na marriage, couple, and love coaches. So kung may problema kayo sa mga pag-ibig, sa mga partners, ayan, si Sir Cruz will give you a lot of thoughts, a lot of techniques, and at the same time, a lot of techniques about relationship. Okay? So palakpakan naman tayo sa speaker.
Good morning. Are you happy to be here this morning? Yes. Tingin niya katabi mo, mukha ba sa Good Friday ba siya? Naka-Easter na siya. Okay, can you all stand please? And at the count of 3, can I ask all the HMN, I call everyone leaders na tayo, leaders of our own lives. Can I ask everyone at the count of 3, please approach someone na di mo kakilala, kamayan mo lang, get to know the name. War, like what's happening right now. Politics, climate change, violence. Yung iba may mga celebrity, kung ano-ano, school shootings. You don't have control over that place. It's circle of concern. So sometimes we complain in this place, pero wala na tayong control dito. Okay? The middle circle is called the circle of influence. Ito yung work relationships, ito yung family relationships, ito yung school friendships, ito yung behavior of people you are with, yung mga kasama mo sa trabaho, yung boss mo, yung pasyente na kaharap mo, yung pasyente na nagreklamo. So yun po sa inyo, naka-experience ng pasyente na nagreklamo, taas mo ang kamay.
So, ito yung personality ko, harmonious, balanced, down to earth. So, ginroup kami based on the picture. So, ito yung picture na napili ko. Kaya, ito yung meaning niya.
Everything goes up.
Everything goes
Ito
up.
spiral. Ano sabihin na spiral na ito? Sa spiral na yan, nandyan yung mga you learn, you commit, and then you do. Meaning, in this spiral, you will learn something. You will learn something, you will commit, and then you will do. And then you will learn, you will commit, and do. Paulit-ulit yan. As you grow, paulit-ulit yan, it will go spiral. Lahat ka nakain mo seafood, talaga po, Dok. Bakit ang taas ng cholesterol mo? Kailangan lahat ka nakain mo, lumalangoy sa tubig. So, alam mo, hindi ginawa mo. Lahat ng awit, tinalamoy mo, langoy. Diba? You learn, you commit, you do.
Break time. So, ito yung personal mastery.
all areas of your life. You have to keep on improving. You have to keep on improving. You have aspects of personality. We are a combination of different experiences. Do you agree?
Yes.
Why we think this way? We are a combination of different experiences and situations. And see you 1 p.m. May announcement ng si Kenshin.
Thank you so much, Sir Yunus. Everyone, for our lunch, we have two options. We have fish katsu or pork katsu.
We have pork, we have fish.
And my attendance sheet tayo sa likod. Please don't forget to write your names and signature. And for those who hasn't answered this questionnaire yet, my extra copies.
Yeah, we have two choices if you want fish or pork. Wow! Crackers! Crackers na lang ako. Cheeseburger. Wow, wow, wow.
Help you how to communicate without judgment with your thoughts. Ang tawag namin is non-violent communication formula. This is what we're gonna do now. Observation, feelings, need, request. OFNR. Can everybody please say OFNR?
OFNR.
Observation, habang kausap mo. Feelings, name the feelings. Need, tell the need. R, request. When you want to talk to someone without judgment, remember this. Non-violent communication, pag meron ng irate patient, meron ng masakit sa ulong kausap, remember OFNR. Observation, feelings, need, and request. Other people. So, who you are is a product of your thoughts. Kaya in COC, I trained this in Take 2, you have to be careful on what you read, on what you watch on social media, who you follow, because it influences your thoughts.
Going home. So, magbubok na ako ng GSM. Ang bagal ng data ko. Kaya, waiting ako dito. Kapatid ko na lang magbubook for me. So, naka-out ng 4:30 p.m. and nakasakay na ng past 5 p.m. na rin. So, nauwi rin sa Grab, no? Wala kasing masakyan na joyride. Kaya, eto, sa Grab Saver ang nabook ng kapatid ko. So, pauwi na. Traffic sa area na to.